Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. As you all can see, the curls are curling, the curls are doing what they're supposed to be doing. And by the way, this wig is glueless. Let me show you. I'm about to show you, okay? So do not think that I glued down this wig. Ne? It is not glued down. It is actually a glueless wig from Luvme Hair Company. I am loving this wig so much. I've never heard a curly wig with actual coils. And look at that. Look at that coil. Look at that. It is so beautiful. Okay, this wig is a curly wig with coils. I love it so much. It is absolutely gorgeous. I love everything about this wig. It is nice and short. You don't even have to do much if you want to look good when you're wearing a Luvme Hair Company wig. Okay, all right. So without any further ado, guys, let's get straight into today's video so that you can see how I achieved this gorgeous look.
Could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss.
So I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. This is the box. It is purple and silver. Let me show you guys what is inside. This is how it is packaged. Okay, look at this, neatly so. They were kind enough to give me a hair clipper. I love these so much. An edge brush and an edge comb combo. This is a storage bag. I use this when I am traveling or even just to store my wigs. A wig cap. So now on to the most favorite part of the video. Let me show you guys. This is how it is packaged. Oh my goodness, I love, oh my goodness, I've never owned something like this. These are coils. Do you see? These are coils, guys. Focus. This is how the wig it is looking. It is, oh my goodness, it is absolutely gorgeous. I love it so much. Look at the coils. They are looking scrumptious. Okay, this is a 5x5 lace closure wig. As y'all can see, it is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, so everything is done for you guys. Né? So this wig has 4 combs, 2 on the side, 1 in the middle, and then 1 right here so that you can secure your wig. And I love the fact that this wig is also breathable, so if you want to scratch your head, your scalp, you can easily do that. Okay, it has 2 belts as y'all can see, and it also has this adjustable belt as well so that you can secure your wig and even snug the way you want it. Okay, so the rest of the video, guys, is self-explanatory, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and enjoy this installation process. It's not even gonna be an installation or anything. I'm just gonna cut the lace and define the curls here and there, and we are going to be looking like a 10 out of 10 minus nothing.
You ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get.
So this is how the wig is looking straight out of the box. Okay, here are the coils. They are looking nice, and the curls are also looking very nice. So the wig is nice and stuck. It is absolutely not going anywhere, and of course, as you all know, this is a glueless wig. I haven't even cut the lace. So let's cut the lace and see how it is going to be looking.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown.
So as much as I love this wig looking like this, guys, I'm still going to wet this wig and define the curls again so that you can see how easy it is when you're working with a Luvme Hair wig. Okay, so we're going to define the curls. I know they're defined, okay, but we're gonna wet it and then show you how they're gonna snap right back. So do you see how it looks when you comb it out? It looks like an afro, which I really like. It is still nice and soft, but we're going to define this a part of the wig so that you can, you know, see how easy it is for the curls to bounce back to be looking like this. Okay, so I just mixed water with a little bit of conditioner. If you want, you can still use water only, but I'm just gonna use water mixed with conditioner, nothing hectic. And then let's spray it. Guys, are you seeing that? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Okay, that was not even a lot. Are you seeing this, guys? Are you seeing how easy it is to define the curls when you are working with a good wig? Okay, a good curly wig. Look at this. Look at this. Guys, are you seeing this? Are you guys seeing this? Just like that, like just like that.
Only been a few hours, but it feel like days. Only been days, but it feel like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
I'm just not doing what I want.
it's some me time.
Keep doing what you want.
In the meantime,
I'm just not doing what I want.
And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, do follow me on Instagram at Coily Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information, and of course for direct links to purchase this gorgeous wig from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.